If they nail it, good. If they don't, they get freaking
Pegged.
Did you say pegged?
You said pegged.
Don't lie to me on this show.
Okay, sorry.
I think we all said pegged.
I think we all.
I think we all.
Who is? You know. Who is that?
Incredible.
That's me on the toilet.
Got it. Commit.
Okay. Okay, wait.
That was good.
Got some fire.
That was.
I think you need to push harder.
Push harder.
Oh, you did it!
Sorry.
Pretty
Worse.
mid.
Yeah.
Stings.
Yeah.
It stings.
It stings.
It stings.
Stings.
So
No. Hey! It's cutthroat out here.
How come she gets to do stand up?
Whoa. Falcon punch. Pretty good, right?
I liked it. I was going off of the Yoshi. So
Falcon punch. Falcon punch.
okay.
Falcon punch.
Okay, you had it there in the
Shut
beginning.
the bed. It's
Really?
so funny. You shut the bed.
Really?
Sorry.
Falcon punch. I'm not even touching you.
I liked that.
You liked it.
I liked it.
It was like 80%, but you showed up.
Oh. It was a little cone.
Gotcha. Sorry.
And she did it.
That's what the fox says.
Try and stop. No.
Hiya!
Okay.
Hiya! Maybe
Yeah,
I
where
just
was
need
that?
to burn one up top and then go. We
Okay.
cannot hit these things until you're ready.
Hiya!
Yeah.
Watching you do it was painful.
Yeah, it was.
Where in my body does this sound have to come right now?
Your asshole.
Hiya!
You came in and you sang a different song.
Shut up.
No. Okay.
Whoa. That was actually really.
Really here to go.
He's scared. He's scared.
Let's really listen to his struggle.
Okay, let's hear it.
You shot the bed in such a beautiful way. I come from a small town in Kentucky, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
All right, then why
All
don't
I
you go
come
ahead
with,
and do your thing?
with you is a small dream
Yes.
and a big heart. I said stop it!
Yeah, like pretend you have a
Link's isn't too
ukulele
high.
in your hand and then do
Let's
it.
nasal it.
What the f? I contain multitudes.
Yeah, you do.
Can I hear the sound again? You need like a choir of men.
You need to push.
You need
okay.
like an ocean.
It's okay.
Yeah, you need an ocean.
like an ocean.
Can you create an ocean, Arasha?
You wanna go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, I think you got this.
You're gun.
No.
Will that get you to do it?
I don't know. You tell me. Oh no!
Pitiful.
Have notes?
Quit while you're ahead.
It all is one long impact.
Yeah.
Just like my impact.
A long impact.
Whoa.
The pack.
The pact. No.
Oh no, not in the mouth.
He's trying to hit me.
Game!
Came.
Game!
Yes.
Game!
You're like, stop crying.
Game.
I'm sorry.
Reminded me of a really sweet, endearing dad at a kid's birthday party.
Game.
Kind of, yeah.
EA Sports.
It's in the game.
I feel like you've got this. I feel like you got this. How are you lowering that?
Game. It's just so hard to perform when there's guns pointed at you. Game.
It was good. It was good.
Game.
It was good.
Game. I'm trying to add the reverb. Game.
Maybe hit the G harder.
Game.
Wait, maybe it's like maybe you gotta smile a little bit, right? They're happy. It's like that's game.
Game.
Yeah.
Game.
But also you're in charge. You're the leader. Yeah, you just called the game. Confidence. Confidence. Really put it out of your
That's
chest.
pretty good.
Push it out of
pretty
there,
good.
Angela. You've got it. Why are you holding
Hit the G
back?
harder.
Let it
Hit the G
out.
harder.
You're breaking. You've got this.
Game. Game.
It's almost there. It's almost there.
Not in my bag.
It's kind of like he's like,
Angela.
Game.
Oh, Courtney, that was really bad.
Courtney. Courtney.
oh, please.
You have to add.
so funny,
You have to kind of do the reverb. Game.
I'm officially tapped out. I'm laughing.
Wait, keep picturing him. So you're picturing him.
in the octagon.
He's
and they
going,
fight
What
in the
octagon,
MMA,
bro?
And they fight, and then he's like,
Game. Game.
That was good.
Game. Please put a Russia in a Marvel movie.
movie.
Please. Game. Game. Game.